Hello everyone. We are looking at phase 5, chapter matrix exercise 1. We are in question number 12. So these are initial questions again, where the property it is based on the properties, and initial properties we should just remember. So they're good for revision of the property. Now we have to find inverse of a matrix. So always remember, whenever the inverse of a matrix has to be found out, first thing we must find out whether this matrix is a singular matrix or not. It should not be a singular matrix. Singular matrix meaning the determinant value should not be 0. So first thing, always check the determinant value. So minus 18, minus of minus 18. So what is it? Minus 18 plus 18, that is 0. So this matrix is a singular matrix and inverse will not. So inverse does not exist. Does not exist. Why? Because it is a singular matrix. That's it. Thank you.